Welcome to this week's video. We're checking out one of the latest £2 coins from the Royal Mint. This is celebrating the life and work of H.G. Wells. 2021 UK Brilliant Uncirculated coin. It's the controversial coin because these feature the tripod. But on the coin, the tripod has 4 legs. And a lot of people were up in arms also about the type of hat that was used. Apparently that's not right either. There we go. I'm going to get into this packaging now so that I can check out all of the information inside. There we go. Packaging taken away. That again is the front, and then the back. We'll have a look at that information and of course the coin specs later on. But for now, let's have a look inside at the information. As usual, if you want to have a read of any of this information, feel free to pause the video and have a read at your own pace. And then a little bit of information there on the design of the coin from the coin designer, who's had to be quite defensive of the design. A quick look at the coin specs then before we look at the coin itself. The inner alloy is copper nickel, the outer alloy nickel brass. Weight is 12 grams, diameter 28.40 millimeters. The edge inscription on this coin is "Good books are the warehouses of ideas." Obverse designer Jody Clark and the reverse designer Chris Costello. Quality, of course, is brilliant uncirculated. Starting with the obverse of the coin, nothing much different going on there. It's a good finish, but the marks that you can see is actually on the plastic that encapsulates the coin. And there we have it, the reverse of the coin. 2021 H.G. Wells, and I'm quite a fan of the design, to be honest with you. I mean, I can understand that people are up in arms about the tripod considering it has 4 legs, but that is what the artist decided to do, and there's no going back, really, is there, once it's been struck? But there we go. That is quite a nice design in my opinion. I like it. I want to know in the comment section below what you think of it, of course. And there we have it. That is the H.G. Wells £2 coin, and celebrating the life and works of. I actually really like the coin, even though it does have, in my opinion, the obvious issue with the tripod. But there we go. That is just another coin that we can collect, and do you know what? It makes it a little bit more memorable, don't you think? So let me know in the comment section below. Do you have a problem with this coin? The design, of course. And also, have you bought it? Have you got it like myself in the Royal Mint BUNC pack? Or maybe you've got the blue carded Westminster Collection version. I also want to know how many of you got the silver proof, or maybe even the gold proof. But let me know in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button? Because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.